Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. Alright, today we're having another past question. Alright, still working with simple interest. Okay, let's go. A bank pays 12.5% per annum interest. Find the interest for a year on 600 naira. Okay, so we're looking for the interest, which is equals to principal times rate times time. Right? Then we can bring out the 100 of the percent for rate and then put it there. Okay, now let's see what we've got from the question. First, we have the rate of interest, which is 12.5%. And like I told you, it's good we write it as an improper fraction. So 2 times 12 is 24 plus 1. All right, that's 24 plus 1, that's 25 over 2%. All right, okay, so now we have the principal given to us is 600 naira, and then the rate, the time rather, is find the interest for a year on 600 naira. So I'm looking for the time. Okay, because the time is not given in number, right? But pay attention here. So you have a year. So that's how many years? How many years? 1. So that's just 1 year, right? So a year. So that means the time is what? 1. So let's load that into our formula and calculate. So we have 600 naira times the rate, which is 25 over 2. I told you how to do that when you have a fraction, right? And then times the time. When you have the fraction, you put the fraction downstairs with the 100, right? So the denominator of the fraction downstairs, right? That's simple. Do you know why we do that? I'll just quickly show you. Actually, this formula should be principal times rate times time, okay? This over 100 is not supposed to be there because it's for rate, okay? We put it for ease of calculation. Now, so if you have this, the principal is 600, you can write that as a fraction, times the rate is 25%, 25 over 2%. So you can write that 25 over 2 divided by 100. So that divided by 100, you can flip it and it becomes, all right, times 1 over 100, okay? And then times your time, which is 1. So by the time you look at this, it's exactly the same thing we have here. Easy peasy, right? So then we'll go 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, right? And then I can see that 2 can go in 6. So 2 goes here 1, 2 in 6 is 3. So we're done canceling. So what do we have left? We have 3 times 25. 3 times 25 is 75, right? Okay, so that is 75. Now we're looking for interest, right? So that would be in naira. Since the principal is in naira, then the interest will be in naira. So the answer is 75%. Okay, so the interest on that will be paid on 600 naira at the end of a year is 75 naira. That's good, right? Thank you. Bye.